Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find split mirror effect on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here to the effect gallery. Now I'm in trending. Slide until you find magic. Okay. So and it is pretty slow I guess. Okay. Now slide up until you find this effect. Okay, and you got this effect. If you can't see this effect button here, you can go to discover and you can search for mirror effect. Now tap on hashtag. Now tap on mirror effect. Okay, so all of these are not with this filter, but you can look for a video like this with this black dress or with this blue denim jacket dress or with this red one. Okay, let's tap on this one. Now at the bottom you can see the effect button is there, left right reflection. Tap there. Now we are in the effect page. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. Tap there and it will download the effect for you. Okay, so we got this effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this split mirror effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.